Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So if you guys get into this situation where you guys have a check engine light, or you guys have a message that says reduced engine power, or your car is stalling, or a lot of times it runs rough, and if you guys use a scan tool and you guys get a P2135 code, I'm going to give you guys an easy way to fix this code. Basically, I'm going to tell you guys what's causing it, and I'm going to tell you guys how you guys can actually fix this problem. And basically, if you guys get this code is essentially for the throttle body. And there could be a bunch of things as far as what could be causing the issue with the throttle body. It could be the throttle position sensor that's malfunctioning. It could be the wiring sockets having some kind of electrical issue. It could be debris or corrosion inside the throttle body itself, around where the blades the blades meet the throttle body. So essentially, the throttle body, what it does is it lets in a certain amount of air into the engine, and when you have it on, a lot of times that blade will be open just a little bit, and it sends out readings to two throttle position sensors, and a lot of times those readings have to be matched up as far as what the analysis is of how much air that's going through. And when the readings don't match up, what you're gonna get is obviously some mechanical issues with the engine, where there's an imbalance of gas and air, and when there's an imbalance of gas and air, your engine's not going to be efficient, and what you're going to get is you're going to get your engine not running properly, A, and B, obviously when it's not running properly, it's going to send a code to your PCM, your car's computer, obviously causing a check engine light. You're going to get a code P2135. You're going to get engine reduced power because of the malfunctioning that exists from that scenario. You're going to get a check engine light, and your car is going to be running rough, or it's going to be stalling. So in this situation, the easiest fix is here's what you guys do with that situation. All right, first of all, you're going to make sure that the electrical socket that plugs into the throttle position sensor is tight and it's not loose. A. B, well, obviously the first thing you're going to do, there's going to be a check engine light, so you're going to need an OBD2 reader. You're going to have to plug in the OBD2 reader to get that code of P2135. That's the code you're going to get for this scenario. That's the first thing you do, and it's not easy to find that code's causing your problem if you don't have an OBD2 scanner. So once you figure that code out, it'll tell you that it's the throttle position sensor or the throttle body that has that issue. All right, so you're going to check on that wiring to make sure that wiring is good. Second thing you're going to do is, you're going to take off the throttle body. All right, and what you're going to do is you're going to clean the inside of the throttle body, because in most situations, this issue occurs with vehicles with higher mileage, probably like over 100,000, 125,000, maybe 75,000, but it's gonna be in vehicles with higher mileage because of the amount of debris or corrosion that builds up inside that throttle body. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a metal brush. You're gonna take some kind of cleaner to clean up the debris inside those blades. Now, what I personally use is I use this non-scrub bathroom cleaner. All right, this is what I use. It's foaming, it's non-scrub. You spray it on, it foams up, it eats away at the corrosion. It's pretty simple, eats away the corrosion. What you're gonna do is to take a metal brush, and you could buy these two things at the dollar store. It's like $2. You get some paper towel to wipe it out. So you're gonna spray it on, you're gonna take off the throttle body, you're gonna spray it on to the inside of the throttle body on both sides where the corrosion is. You're going to take the metal brush and you're going to brush that off. You're going to take a paper towel and you're going to wipe it. It's pretty easy to clean it. Once you clean it, just put it back on and see if that changes anything. In most cases, that should clear your the check engine light. That should clear the P2135 code. That should do away with the stalling. That should do away with the check engine light, any of the issues that you have with that issue. But if you guys don't, if that problem doesn't go away, second thing you need to look at is probably if the electrical connection is good. Second thing you're probably going to look for is probably to change out the throttle position sensor, the throttle body itself. Because it's pretty much signifying that your throttle position sensor, your throttle body is malfunctioning. Hopefully that's not the case, and cleaning it out will fix your problem. If you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Right guys, take care.